Alright guys, Home Depot special buy of the day. Today only. The best deal today is this one right here. 20 volt max. Brushless reciprocating saw with the impact, half-inch impact wrench. It's the pin detent model. $259. This is a really good deal if you're looking for either of these tools. That impact wrench is, I think, $200 by itself. I have it pulled up right here so we can check it out. Yep, it's 200 bucks. So for 60 extra dollars, you're getting the compact reciprocating saw and a 3 amp hour battery. So, I mean, that's a pretty good deal. And that reciprocating saw is bare tool $169, so 170 bucks. So I think this is the best deal today they have on special buy. So if you're looking for these tools, now would be the time to get it. And this is a really good deal, so I have a feeling it's gonna sell out. So don't wait on this. For more tool deals, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tool Advisor. I come out with videos almost daily on the best deals I find. So that's all I have to say. Thank you.